officials, our department heads of the LGU Tagum, and the Tagum City Tourism Arts Culture Council officials, nga mo ari diri sa atubangan aron panguluhan ang atong countdown.
Grabe ka-exciting na segment. Oo na natin ginapaabot.
Tagumeños, let us hear you again. Isang masigabong palakpakan na may kasama hiyawa!
And daghan kay salamat.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Tagumeños and friends around the world. Live and holding right here, right now. The country's honest Carnival Team Holiday Tree.
Not Madaya. That is the true spirit of Tagum. That is the true spirit of Christmas. Christmas is a celebration of faith because we believe that even the smallest light can break through the darkness. Because in every laughter, every gathering, every shared meal, there is love. And it is a celebration of love. Because God Himself showed us that love is the most powerful gift of mothers working late to touch lives. Programa na hindi lang makita, pero mabati ko. Programs that bring dignity, hope, and opportunity to every Tagumeño. These are lights that do not flicker. These are lights that shine. As your congressman, I carry each of your stories with me. In every discussion, in every bill, in every decision.